What up, guys? Today I'm collabing with. Where's Lightning VR? Oh, you're there. I'm collabing with this dude. Yeah, I don't know his actual YouTube channel. I just found him in the lobby.
I'm pretty sure my name is actually lightningvr. It should be
Okay. Alright.
And I don't know the golden helmet's name.
It's my name. It's literally my game name. It's this. Yeah.
Rudy, what do you record on? YouTube or like?
Yeah, mine is
YouTube.
Oh my gosh, I'm so good. I'm so good. I'm better than you. I'm better than you. I'm on red walls, guys.
Yep, nice one, mate.
Look at me.
You didn't even.
Yo.
I'm on red walls.
What is this?
It's pretty obvious. Everyone can just one can
I can tap it.
Everyone can do that. Everyone can get on red walls now.
Look how
Who tagged me? Was it you?
Yeah.
GG.
I could hear red wolf was one man.
I saw that.
Okay.
It's crazy.
We have a modder. Of course we do.
I saw that high edgy team motherfucker.
Yeah, because you guys, my controller won't cross the room.
Yo, where's the first one? Oh, you're there. What happened to your controller, my guy? What happened to your controller, my guy? Hello?
Yo, golden helmet. My controller, I just yeeted it, bro.
Oh, what, like this?
No one has cosmetics on. No one has cosmetics on. Oh my god. Why does no one has cosmetics on? You got the glitch. It's staying. Restart your game. I don't wanna.
Alright, let's go tag some people.
What happened to my controller?
I'm going to go after him. Is he a TBM member? That's what I need to know.
I know what you should do. Play scrims.
Mostly trying to figure out.
Kill me. Get him! Get him! Get him! Oh, God. He's good. Oh, Jesus.
Okay. Join.
Oh, I'm not good at crouching. Jesus.
5, 4, 6, 7. Oh, if I just broke you, and then like it was before I think the GT was done.
Maybe how high I could go with skate and with
Where's Lightning VR?
golden helmet.
Where's Lightning VR?
I'm right here, Cliff.
Oh.
I'm right here on this branch. Let's go on the branch.
Okay.
Where are you?
You know, you could just jump up like this.
Oh yeah.
Like, look.
Or I can do this.
Yeah, you could do that. Did you want to go on this platform here?
Yeah, let's go on this platform.
Alright.
Oh, wait.
How are you still falling?
Okay. I'm coming.
Alright, there. Okay, so
Guys, I'm so good at this game. Watch this. I'm so good at this game.
Okay.
yeah. So Lightning VR, me. Lightning VR, me.
Yo, does anybody want to scrim?
Oh.
TB.
Yeah, I'm good.
Me.
Sorry, my bad. I tried chasing someone.
I want to do scrim.
There we go.
Okay, join the code 5, 4, 6, 7.
6, 7.
No, no.
Oh my god. My TV just said 5, 6, 7, 0.
No, not.
Let's go on bridge. Go on bridge.
I hate 6-7.
5, 4, 6, 7.
Oh frick. What the?
Guess I'm going after the person I'm collabing with. Let's go. Oh, come on. Is it only us two? Oh no, someone else. Let me just do a little flick tag. Are you serious? Yo, why is it not? There we go.
Hello, everyone. My name's Cotty Moves.
Oh. Yo, I ain't tagged no more.
That kid's getting reported. He's using speed boost.
Me?
Now the kid who tagged me.
What kid? What's his color? Like, what color?
Happy, happy, happy. Do, 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 do. Happy, 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 happy. Wait. Jump scare. Wait. Jump scare. Ken breeding.
Yo.
Ken breeding. Follow me. Follow me. Protect sparking.
What? Oh, over there. Okay. I'll get up there.
This bridge.
Okay.
No, this bridge.
Oh my god.
But I'm leaving now. You'd have to spread bubbles in my face. Right, go to the bridge. Go to the bridge. No! Oh, it's a barbecue. Oh no! I'm cooked! I'm cooked! Oh my god, I hate this. I hate playing with one hand so bad.
Yo, don't disrespect one-hand people.
Oh my god, I hate one hand. I never got. Oh my god.
Hey, I have one hand and I'm pretty good.
Allowed.
Huh?
One hand isn't allowed.
What do you mean it's not allowed?
Zero gravity isn't allowed.
Zero gravity. Nobody's using zero gravity.
That's when you only have to use one hand. I thought that he was talking about the mod. Oh, that scared me. No.
Come on, Egg. Did you really have to tag me?
Yo, Egg, turn on.
Alright, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Peace.